So here's how to show or hide the connection speed on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open settings, scroll down and select notifications and status bar. And then within the notification settings, find the option show connection speed. Now if you'd like to enable it, simply toggle on that switch. And now you should notice the notification, or rather the connection speed, appear next to your mobile network icons. Now if you'd like to disable it, or if you like to hide it, simply toggle on off that switch, and that will hide the connection speed. So that's basically it on how to show or hide the connection speed on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.